If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today, I'm super happy to introduce you to the Edina zipper bag, a sewing arts pattern. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this incredibly classy design. So you can see it has a really nice angled triangle shape flap here, secured with a claw clip. Under the claw clip, we have a slip pocket here, as well as our bag. Now, this is the cool thing about this bag. You can see the zippers along the side. So you have a fairly small bag when it is all zipped up, but say you need a little bit more room for what have you, you just open up the zippers, it pops out, and you have a wider bag. So it's almost like a small bag and a medium bag all in one. On the inside, we have a zipper pocket with overlay, as well as two slip pockets. This is such a classy looking bag. I truly do love it. This one I've done in a faux leather and a waterproof canvas lining. It's a great shoulder. It's a nice size. It truly is. So, if you are one of my clients and you would like to order one of these in your choice of fabrics, again, it can be made in cottons, it can be made in canvases, it can be made in faux leathers, it can be made in leathers. What you want it to be made in, it can be done. And if you're you know what to do, all my information is down below. And if you are part of the Bagmakers community, I do have a tutorial on this one. We are actually doing this bag in our October Thursdays 2023 classes. So it will be released to the public side of the channel once classes are done at the end of October 2023. Yeah. Otherwise, yeah, you can join the class, which we have going on, or you could join the membership to see the class replays if it's after the fact, or you could just hold on for the tutorial. Anyways, until next one, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.